Hey there, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create segments in Mailchimp, a super useful skill if you want to organize your email list for smarter, more targeted campaigns. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up segments, filter your audience, and quickly find the people you need to reach, whether you're managing a big newsletter or just starting out with a handful of contacts. Let's jump right in and I'll guide you step by step. Alright, first things first, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. You'll land on your dashboard where you have access to all the main features. From here, look for the Audience section. This is where all your contacts live. Think of Audience as your grand list of subscribers, the central spot where everyone is stored before you start sorting them into groups or segments. Now, once you've selected your audience, we want to start creating those segments. Segments in Mailchimp are like filters that help you group contacts based on specific criteria, like their email addresses, last activity, interests, and more. This is super handy because instead of emailing your entire list with every campaign, you can zoom in and send relevant content to just the people who care most about what you're sharing. Move over to the Segments option. This is usually found within your audience view, a spot dedicated to all the different filters and groups you might have already created. Click on Create Segment to start making your own. Don't worry if you haven't used this feature before, the process is pretty straightforward and Mailchimp walks you through it nicely. Next, choose your filter. For this example, let's say you want to find everyone whose email address matches a specific one, like hilking100@gmail.com. In Mailchimp, you'll see drop-down menus that let you pick the criteria. So you'll select email address and set it to is, then type in hilking100@gmail.com. This tells Mailchimp, hey, show me just the people who have exactly this email address in my list. It's a bit like searching for a name in your phone contacts. Mailchimp will instantly pull up anyone who matches that filter. Once you've set up this condition, click Use Segment. That's it, Mailchimp now sorts out everyone from your audience and displays only the contacts who meet that exact rule. Especially if you have a large list, this feature is invaluable for zeroing in on who you want to talk to without manually scrolling through hundreds or thousands of names. Now here's an important step. Go back to your audience dashboard and look for the segment you just created. Sometimes it might take a second for Mailchimp to update, but it'll be there, listed by the filter you just applied. Click on that segment and you'll see exactly the contact or contacts that match your filter. In this case, you'll spot hilking100@gmail.com front and center. This is great for double-checking your work and making sure you filtered correctly. And that's really it. You've just created a segment in Mailchimp and confirmed that it works. You can now use this segment for targeted campaigns, special offers, or simply to keep your list better organized. Don't worry if you need to adjust your filters or play around with other segment options. Mailchimp gives you plenty of flexibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy email marketing.